So Redzone has had a huge impact across the Glenhaven business. Really helped us get much more visibility into what's going right and what's going wrong in the business.
The Redzone has impacted the culture in Glenhaven greatly by the transparency between management and the workers on the floor.
We're a two-site operation and the communication between our G1 and our G2 site has just improved massively.
To get Redzone in your plant, it just gives you real-time information. It's operator friendly.
The learning curve of Redzone I found fairly simple, really.
They've grown in ways that I didn't think was possible.
The biggest thing that we see is our huddles and our morning meetings. It's an opportunity for production, maintenance, quality teams to meet together and discuss about the one topic.
They're all really taken to it.
From an audit point of view, it has made things so much easier. I'm able to pull up data directly in front of an auditor at any ease.
The quality team are paperless. They started in March.
My favourite part of Redzone is the simplicity of it. Once you get used to using it, it's just so simple.
It's helping us to build a stronger, smarter future for Glenhaven.